In a chilling turn of events, a fatal crash in Texas involving a Ford Mustang Mach-E has caught the attention of the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board. The incident occurred on a regular February day on Highway 10 in San Antonio, where a BlueCruise-equipped Mustang Mach-E collided with the rear of a stationary Honda CR-V. The CR-V driver, unfortunately, did not survive the incident. The NTSB, intrigued by this unfortunate event, has initiated an investigation into Ford's BlueCruise hands-free driving system. According to a police report from San Antonio, the Mustang had its partial automation feature engaged during the crash. The NTSB's decision to probe the incident stems from its ongoing interest in the interaction between advanced driver assistance systems and their human operators. As we wait for the NTSB's initial report, expected within 30 days, we must remember that the full extent of the incident and the role of the technology involved is yet to be determined. While advanced technology like BlueCruise can enhance the driving experience, it is a Level 2 autonomous system, which means the driver's role is not entirely eliminated. This system is designed to assist the driver, but not to replace them. In fact, safety measures are in place to ensure the driver's vigilance. For instance, BlueCruise-equipped vehicles have a cabin camera and infrared light emitters to monitor the driver. If the driver's focus strays too long, the system disengages. Interestingly, the recent scrutiny of autonomous systems isn't isolated. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety recently evaluated partially automated driving systems, with nearly every automaker failing. Other safety agencies, like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, are also actively investigating these technologies. As the line between human and machine blurs on the roads, the question of safety and responsibility in the age of autonomous vehicles becomes increasingly pressing.